the channel. I know I've been missing for a while. I needed a break, but I'm back with something exciting. I got my Fab Fit Fun box, and let me tell you, I've been holding out. Like, it's been like 2 or 3 weeks, so I gotta open it. I have to get into this. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so this summer box is really pretty. I want you guys to take in the details. Look at how pretty that is. I'm loving it. You know, this is a keeper. No way am I throwing this box out. Oops, sorry if I'm showing too much. Anywho, I've got my, if you guys hear any rustling, I do have an audience, just to let you know. Okay. Got my tweezers, and we're gonna get into this. Oh, tweezers are falling. Alright, so you guys get the first peek before I do. Right, I know there's a little magazine thing that's always there, and it is Eva Longoria. Oh, I like her. So pretty. You guys know it has all the details, then the 2 little coupons they always send, and then they have the little sticker with the palm leaf, so let's see what's in here. I'm gonna tear it up. We're gonna tear this up. Alright guys. Am I gonna like it? I'm sure I will. Alright. So, oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Okay, let's start with something small. It's Living Proof Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. Oh, good. Can you see all the frizzies? Okay, because I need it. Hold on, what do I use? Okay, I'm supposed to do it to clean damp hair, but I want to smell it. Oh, it has a good smell. I don't know. Like a citrus minty smell? I don't know. Let's put it on my hair even though it ain't damp. You know, we gotta calm these frizzes down here. You know how we do up in here. It doesn't feel greasy, so I think that's good because I have thin hair. Okay, anywho, next one, the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Ooh, purple too. Has a little tab. Let me take this tabby tab. Okay, y'all see where I put my tweezers up? Found it. Needed assistance with that. Well, it don't look purple to me because it has this little thing there. Huh? Let's see the purple. Oh yeah, it is purple. I don't know if y'all can tell it, but if I squeeze it, y'all gonna get a whole bunch. Y'all can't handle stuff. Okay. There we go. We're gonna leave it on, then we're gonna peel it and see how it feels. Totally forgot to peel this off, so let's see. Is it a wash off or a peel off? I think it's a wash off. Just a white, not water, but and then what about foot mask? So it definitely feels tight in this area. I do have to say that. Okay, my hand feels tight here. As for the skin, I don't see much difference, but then again, it is the first time, right? So how would I even know? Then SPF 30, great, because this Utah sun is hot. It's a makeup setting spray. Ooh. Wait, gotta do the YouTuber thing here. Okay, by Kula. Kula gonna keep me cool. Okay. Has a little ball in there. Let's see, it says broad spectrum 30 directions with your eyes completely closed. Not because I'll keep them open. Mist face evenly, holding bottle 6 to 10 inches away along the full drive. Reply after 80 minutes of swimming. So you can wear your makeup, spritz it, go in the pool, and it's supposed to help you? That's a lie. Let's just try it. smell like? It smells medicinal, to be honest. But if it's gonna help me, I guess. Okay. Then we got the exfoliating foot mask. I'm excited for this. Y'all don't even know, okay? Because it's summer and all I'm wearing is sandals and stuff. And I be getting a tan on my feet, so we need to exfoliate my feet. Okay, it's a... What brand is it by? Wish Beauty? Wish Beauty. It has an extra H. I don't know if y'all can see that. On the bottom it says Wish Beauty. Okay. Yep. With the double H. See it? Yeah, probably can't see it. I'm not gonna put my foot up in here, but I wanna see what it smells like. That's gonna be kind of weird, me putting my foot up in the air that's exfoliating for y'all. There's some things we gotta keep private, okay? Y'all my babes, but we can't put everything out there. It's clear. It has like a vanilla cocoa butter scent. I like it. Let's see if we can exfoliate a little bit. I don't feel like anything is exfoliating, so is it supposed to dry and then I'll peel it off? We couldn't see. That was a lot, huh? Okay. So you apply before bed, you go to bed, and you wake up with softer feet. And you rinse after 8 to 12 hours. So I guess, you know, hop in the shower. I don't feel anything. It wasn't 8 to 12 hours, so I guess I won't. But I'm excited to try them. I'm gonna have some soft feet, y'all. Y'all don't even know. I'm gonna be rubbing my feet against all of them. Okay, well, all my brothers gonna be running away from me because I'm gonna be like, look at my soft feet. But I can do that because I'm an older sister. Y'all don't even know this. Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. Ooh. Now if you're into skincare, y'all know rose sprays and rose oil is good for you. So I'm excited. They're gonna have me looking like I'm 15 again, watch. When they done with me. At least I'm hoping. Not 15. Maybe 21. And still be legal. And this is by, did I say it already? Yeah, I did. Grace and Stella. Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. This is a big old bottle, y'all. This is a huge amount. So, spray all day. Okay. Let's get this. Ooh, it smells like roses. It smells like roses. Ooh. I like the little smell, but I don't know if I like it that much. And then we got these little invisible bauble traces hair ring. That's just Trixie, y'all. She all over the place. Okay, we're gonna try one. Let's try this out. Is it gonna stay? It does. We gotta do the shake test. It stays, y'all. And it went back to size. Okay, we're gonna have to try this. But if it tangles my hair, I'm gonna rip it off and get mad. So, does it look good? At least it will stay on. Okay, and then we have Jennifer Sonner jewelry. Y'all know I love jewelry. Can you tell? Cute little bag. It's white, so it's gonna wash out, but yeah. Oh, this is pretty. It has 2 little stars. It can go longer apparently, but I'm gonna show you guys the star. Oh, I'll continue. Oh, I'm keeping this, and it's in gold tone. If it was silver, my mama could have it, or anybody else who wanted could have it, but gold is mine. So of course, you know we can't get it wet or nothing. Is it even gonna fit me? I know I got a fat neck. My babes help me. She's a YouTuber too. I'll link her channel down there. Okay. So, oh, this is so cute because each one has its own star. Like they're not on the same tree. This is cute. I want It's sparkling too. Oh, I like it. Okay, and then we're going for the big box. Any more littles? Okay, this Sutra Beauty Marble Blow Dryer Travel Size Marble. Whew, that's a lot. Okay, this one was actually something that I chose. Can't remember what the other options were, but I chose this one. I really wanted this little mini travel blow dryer. So, whoop, all the little pieces just fell out. So it comes with the 2 pieces that all the blow dryers come with. Look at how little it is compared to the bottle. Look at it. It's so little. I love it. Y'all gonna see me like, I like it. I've been wanting one forever, and it's marble, y'all. Okay. If y'all don't know already, I love marble. It's beautiful. And then last, but definitely not least, okay, empty box. This big old tote bag. I can't remember if I chose this one too, to be honest. But you know it's summer, and we don't have a beach here no more. Well, it's not like the beach was ever here, but I mean, you know, when I lived in LA, we have the beach. Here we have to travel 30 minutes to get to the lake, which isn't bad. So this will be good for our trips to the lake. Okay, so it has a little clip thing. Okay, this is the design on the outside, very pretty. On the inside, and then, oh, and it feels so good. These could be cotton or something. They feel good. They're not that rough texture. And then it has a pocket inside, guys. Yes. Y'all gonna see me walking around in my bathing suit like, move out my way, y'all. I gotta get to the water. You know what I mean? It's cute. Alright, y'all. That's all from my Fab Fit Fun box. I guess we have the care instructions, which are a week later. Things y'all don't want to know about. But I'm pretty happy I got, let's see, 9 things. Not bad. Not bad for 50 bucks, because I'm pretty sure most of these things cost more than what I paid for the box. Except I don't think this cost stay away. And if you guys want to join Fab Fit Fun box, I will link it down below, as well as my friend Evan, you know, my YouTuber down there. She helped me with the necklace, and I appreciate it. And then I'll even link Andrew, who's watching my audience, his YouTube. He's a gamer, so if you're into games, I'll link him there. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. If you like this video, please give me a like. That'll help me a lot. Leave any comments down below. If you received anything from Fab Fit Fun that you really enjoyed, let me know down below. I want to know. And from what I got, what did you guys like? What was your favorite and your least favorite of the products that I received? Also, don't forget to click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload, because I'm not on a schedule anymore. I don't think I will be for a while, with just everything that I want to do in my daily life. Anywho, I love you, babes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Take 2. Action.
Okay.